Hello again and welcome to Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English, and today we're going to look at pronunciation, the pronunciation of questions with what, when, why, where, WH questions. For example, what do you do? What do you do? Da 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 da. Da, 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 da. What do you do? The stress pattern is very important, and the da 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 pattern is very common in WH questions. Again, what do you do? What do you do? We don't say, what do you do? It's, what do you do? The stress on the first question word, what or where or when or why. What, the auxiliary words are very quiet, not so much stress, and the next full verb is stressed. What do you do? What do you do? If you only hear the first and last words, you will still understand the sentence. What do? What do? You don't need to understand the two words in the middle. If I said to you, do you what? So, listening is important. The rhythm and stress is important in spoken English. Have a look at Uncle Geoff's board for some more examples. Here then is the typical stress pattern of these WH questions. Da, 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 da. The stress on the first, main stress on the last, the two in the middle, not so much stress. Da, 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 da. What do you do? Practice yourself. Try it. What do you do? Again, we don't say, what do you do? With equal stress. No. We go, what do you do? Look at the second one. Where do you live? Da, 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 da. Where do you live? Number 3, the third one. Why did you go? Why did you go? Da, 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 da. Next one. What do you think? What do you think? Da, 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 da. What do you think? This one. What does she mean? What does she mean? Da, 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 da. We don't say, what does she mean? First word stressed, last word stressed. The two in the middle, not so strong. What does she mean? Da, 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 da. And the last one. What did he say? Or, what did he say? You can change the intonation a little bit, but the stress is still the same. What did he say? What did he say? Da, 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 da. Very common stress pattern in these kind of WH questions. Da, 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 da. So there we are. The rhythm and the stress in WH questions. Is it easy peasy? Yes, it is. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on Uncle Geoff's Easy-Peasy English. Bye-bye for now.